Yeah. Yeah, Anil. So fantastic work. So tell us about this new product, at Buzzworld.
Um, well, this is called the Mammoth. Okay, and basically the reason why it's called the Mammoth is because we on the drawing board we started sketching the mammoth, and you can see it on some of the displays, and that's how the entire shape of it kind of originated. So that is why it's called Mammoth, and we wanted to de-extinct the mammoth, and hence the Ice Age theme for the stall as well. Uh, this is a partnership with MAN Trucks India, and this is the first luxury coach for actually both of us in India. So we are very we are not I won't say bullish on it in terms of numbers, but we are very confident that this will definitely catch the eye of leading STUs and fleet operators, etc. in India. Telling you a little bit about the features of the bus. We have something entirely new and patented. It's called the EM Secure. Okay, so that's the Emergency Management Secure, and basically it is in the case of an emergency where the passengers inside can completely open up the rear end, and they push down a stairway which allows passengers of all age groups, whether children or elderly people, to kind of come down to descend the bus safely, as against the traditional emergency exits where nearly from a 5.5 to 6 feet height you have to jump, where injury is sort of assured, especially for elderly people. So safety, service and maintenance and style has been kind of the key aspects of this particular bus. Back on safety, we have 8 emergency exits. Okay, so one is the M Secure, which is in the rear. Then we have 4 breakable glasses, and we've got 2 roof hatches and the passenger door. We also do not have any sharp corners in the interiors of the bus. That is also thought about from a safety point of view. And then every seat has a passenger seat belt. So that is another added feature from a safety angle. And yeah, I think that's about it on safety. Well, actually, on the chassis part, the fuel tank comes in the center of the chassis between the long members. So that again, in case of any side impact during driving, there will not be any sort of fire situation. So from that point of view, we have both MAN and us. We have focused on it a lot from the safety point of view. Apart from that, there are some. You've seen the interior styling and the design. I mean, it is a little unique as compared to what's available today, and everything is quite thoughtfully done. The color scheming and everything, the materials used. The materials used are also, on the side wall and everything, which generally, tend to get a little dirty during use. The materials are such that they can be, wiped with a wet cloth. So that way we've used only LED lighting to save on, vehicle power. And we also have a very good hat rack where the center console is such that it's exactly in the center of the 2 passengers, so that they can get the airflow evenly distributed as well as the light. And we have a feature where when you have the television playing and when you have some audio sound, and if the customers sitting in a particular row, they don't want to listen, it's just a question of pressing a button, and at least their end of the speakers will be, switched off. And then we've also provided, usually you have a plug point, in each row. That is for both the passengers to share one plug point. So what we've done is we've given one 3-pin socket and we've given a USB port. And these days, with every charging cable having a USB port, USB cable, so it's very easy to charge. So that is another aspect which we have focused on. So from all these aspects, I mean, this is what our product is about, and we really hope that we get best response from the market, and hope to do well on this.
Well, one more question.
Yeah.
How important is this entry into the intercity segment, coach segment for you, and about your partnership with MAN?
Yeah, I mean, both are equally important. MAN is first of all a global giant and a very, it's a leader in the commercial vehicle industry globally, with a very strong reputation. So it's indeed a pleasure and honor, firstly, to be associated with them on this particular project. So this also gives us an opportunity to sort of unleash our creativity and designing talent that we have in order to really express what can be done. So, I mean, though we had some constraints, which is there typically for any front engine bus, where you have some constraints on how good you can make the front look. You don't have as much flexibility as you would on a rear engine bus. So we've taking all that constraints into consideration. I think we've done a reasonably decent job on this particular thing. The dashboard and everything is completely made in-house, built in-house. It is designed and developed completely by us. The composite parts are completely designed, developed and manufactured by us. Yeah, I mean, is there anything else you want to?
Okay.